One of the most important elements of building engagement with an audience is your use of eye contact and the balance between the notes that you have in front of you and the audience you're speaking to. So first of all, the notes. You've got to make them work for you and for your style. For some people that means writing it word for word and having that copy in front of them to refer to, having memorized large parts of it so they can engage the audience. For others, it's about having just one page and having one-word prompts listed in big, bold capital letters that they can glance down at, remember what that point was, and go on to engage the audience. And when it comes to that aspect, you've got to avoid focusing on just a handful of people, perhaps your colleagues who are nodding and smiling and giving you lots of positive feedback. You've got to distribute your eye contact evenly around the room, regardless of feedback, so that everybody feels included.
Oh hey everyone, it's Colin again. Hit subscribe and thank me later.